If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture where we are solving Tripura University questions on coordinate geometry straight line. So today we will be solving again 4 questions, question number 5, 6, 7 and question number 8 from 5 to 8. Okay, then let's solve these questions. Now again question number 5, these show that these are concurrent. Again for concurrent we have again seen one determinant formula. So I am writing determinant. If you don't have determinant, I will do it in different way. What was the formula? A1, B1, C1. Concurrent means all three will pass through this. So this was the formula. Easy to remember. If you know how to open determinant, then you can still do it. But from where this logic comes? This logic came from the idea that because all three should pass through same point, you can check the theory again. So solution of these two, whatever solution you get from these two, suppose you solve these two, you got this point. So if you put this point in the third equation, that should satisfy because third line is also passing through that point. So you can solve any two and put the value of x and y here. If it satisfies, if it becomes 0, then they are concurrent. It is proved. Or if you know determinant and then, or if you have done determinant, then you can do this one. So if you see first two equations, let me find x and y from this. So this is equal to 0. And bx plus cy plus a is equal to 0. I think you can solve it in this way. I am doing it in this way, cross multiplication method. So if you do it x, you can do any method. You find x and y simply because it is easy to find x and y in a single shot. You will get it. ab minus c square, this minus this, then minus y, a square minus this into this bc, then 1 ac minus. If you stop it, then it is ac minus b square. So from here you can calculate easily x and y. So what will be your x? So your x will be equal to, you can see, ab minus c square, by ac minus b square. Okay, this is your x. What will be y? Y will be equal to minus a square minus bc by ac minus b square. So put this x and y in the third equation. So what is your third equation? So in the left hand side you put in LHS, this is your LHS. This should be equal to 0 if you put it there. So you can write it there. Concurrent means all three lines should be passing through same point. So if I solve this equation 1 and 2, so I got this point P, suppose P is x comma y. So P should satisfy third equation. If it satisfies, then it is concurrent. Okay. So third equation is this one. That's why I am doing the left hand side. So c into what is your x is ab minus c square by ac minus b square, and what is y? There I am putting minus because already a minus is there. ac minus b square by ac minus b square. Then your b. So if you solve it, you can do it. If you take LCM, then final expression you will get. I am directly writing it. If you take minus common, then it will be a cube plus b cube. You can easily do it. Just cross product of take simple LCM. Then what is this? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. It is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. Then it is ac minus b square. Now they have given this one is 0. abc is 0. Because abc is 0, so this is 0. So this is equal to RSS. Why? Because abc is a plus b plus c is given as 0. Because this is 0, so 0 multiplied by everything is 0. So therefore it is proved. So therefore three lines are concurrent. You can write it. I am not writing it clearly. Three lines are concurrent. All these statements you can write and it is proved. Now if you see question number 6. What is there in 6? The Cartesian coordinates of the point is this. Find the polar coordinate. Again the polar coordinate format. So if you write it in which quadrant it is? -1, -1, then -3. It is in this quadrant. So this is my theta. From here I have to say. What is r? R is equal to under root -1 square plus minus root 3 whole square. That is again 2. What is theta? Now you see theta. Now if I take tan inverse root 3 if I take, suppose theta I am calculating tan inverse, and if I take magnitude only, that is minus root 3 by -1. If I am taking magnitude only, so it is tan inverse root 3. So tan inverse root 3 will give me this angle, but I have to mention it from here. You can write it from this way, you can write it from this way, whatever. So from this way it is 180 plus this. So it is pi plus this, or 180 plus this, whatever you write. So 180 plus 60 is 240, or you can think it equal to 4 pi by 3. Pi by 3 is 60, 4 6 are 240. So the polar coordinate equal to r comma 4 pi by 3 or 240 degree. Now if you see question number 7. Now 7 is exactly same as question number 2, the way we solved it. So I am not writing it statement, I am directly writing it. Okay. So if I take this one is x1 y1, so it is, what was that, area was equal to 0. So this into y2 minus y3, y2 minus y3, then x1, suppose this is x2, so 0 into something I will not write, then x3 is this one, x3, then it is y1 minus y2, 0 minus b, that should be equal to 0. So it is ab minus a minus b equal to 0, or which implies a plus b equal to ab. So if you divide it by ab, then it is 1 by a plus 1 by b is equal to 1. So it is proved. Detail you can see in question number 2. I have explained it in detail. Just here I have done it for the sake of completion. Same question, just in place of 2 there was 1 there was 2 2. That's why it is 2, that's why it is 1. So that is the difference. Now if we come to question number 8, find the equation of the straight line passing through the points these and these. Also find the coordinates of the point where the line cuts the x-axis. So what is given to you? 2 points are given to you. So you know, if 2 points are given to you, what is the formula? Equation of line, 2-point formula you have to write. So it is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 x minus x1. That was the formula. So if I apply this one, it will be y minus 4, then y2 minus 2 minus 4 divided by 5 minus minus plus 3, because it will be minus 3, then x minus minus plus 3x3. So if you simplify it, you will find 3x plus 4y. You please check the calculation. I have directly writing it. You check it once again. Now what they are asking, find the coordinates of the point where the cuts x-axis. So where the cuts x-axis, this point. So what is the formula? If I make it to intercept form, then I can directly write. Because what was intercept? This is directly A, this is directly B. So for intercept form, what we have to do? You have to divide it by 7. This side should be 1, because this is the intercept form. Right side was 1. So if you divide it, you can write it x 7 by 3, and it is plus y 7 by 4. Then 3 will come up. So this is your x coordinate, x intercept, this is your y intercept. Okay. Some case they can ask also. So what will be x intercept? X intercept will be equal to just below x, that is 7 by 3. What is y intercept? Intercept is equal to just below b, that is 7 by 4. So the coordinates are, what will be the coordinate? They are asking you coordinate, not the intercept, not this value. What is the coordinate here? A comma 0. What is the coordinate here? 0 comma b. Because this coordinate and this coordinate they are asking, point. So the coordinates are, what will be the coordinates? Coordinates are, this will be x intercept is 7 by 3 comma 0, that is a comma 0, and y intercept is 0 comma 7 by 4. So this is your answer. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.